Everybody think I love it all I bring. She a serious, intelligent girl. We could have traveled around the world. A curious, a beautiful girl. I could have treated her as my friend. But some girls tease and some try to please. Some would have asked me if you rub and squeeze. And some girls say, oh please, Chris, please. A serious, affectionate girl. Could have traveled around the world. But it's best to rise with a smile on your face, just like the sunshine all over the place. Don't be like the night, you know, when it is dark. But baby girl, you're the dearest to my heart. So why won't you dance? Why won't you dance the ragga with me? Yeah. Why won't you? Why won't you dance? Love it with me, yeah. You may not be a movie star. You may not drive that big fast car. I love you, yeah, yeah. You never repay, yeah. Why won't you dance? Why won't you do the ragga with me? You will realize that there is nothing wrong when you search yourself and find that you're not so strong. No one's to be blamed, yeah. You cuss them out and you sing, telling everybody, oh yeah. You got to live, you got to learn, you got to live on, you got to learn. A serious, intelligent girl, we could have traveled around the world. A curious, a beautiful girl, I would have treated her as my friend. Now some girls tease me, some try to please. Some would have asked me if we rub and squeeze. And some girls say, oh please, please, please. A beautiful, affectionate girl, number one in my world. You will realize that friends will bring you strife, trying to let you do all that they have done. No one's to be blamed now. You cuss them out insane, telling everybody, oh boy, you got to live, you got to learn, you got to live. Oh, you got to learn. Baby, oh, I love you. I called my name. They tried to trick you. No, I'm so mad. But that's the way